Hello, Mirror Protocol token holders. How are you? MIR token holders. Hope you're feeling well, guys. Welcome back to another latest update video about Mirror Protocol token, guys. Let's start the video without wasting any time. But if you're new to my channel, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update videos about Mirror Protocol token, guys. Let's start the video without wasting any time. But if you're new to my channel, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update videos about Mirror Protocol token, guys. First of all, if we see the current price of MIR coin Mirror Protocol in the market, so 0.1808 US dollar. That is the currently latest price of Mirror Protocol token in the market. And as you can see here now, the today latest update of MIR coin is positive 8.15%. Now I check all the cryptocurrency market, every coin are now going positive, so very congratulations, because now right now situation now whole cryptocurrency are going positive, guys. Bitcoin also now pumping in the market, so now it's these days are a profit days, guys. You know why all cryptocurrency are now pumping? Because it is the last days of a month, guys, and obviously, as I told you in my many videos, that in the last of a month there is big possibilities for a coin that pump, guys. And same here, if we see the trading volume of Mirror Protocol coins, so also trading volume is going positive 95.93%. The trading volume is also positive, so now my prediction about MIR coin is also positive, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Mirror Protocol will continue this pump for a long time, guys. My prediction are going positive, guys. By the way, what's your opinion, what's your prediction for Mirror Protocol? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.